If you're looking for an exciting new way to earn extra income, Apple is looking for people just like you. In this video, I'll show you how to make $12,000 plus per month working with Apple. Get started in this new gig today and watch your bank account grow. So, don't miss out, watch the video all through, check the description box for amazing making money hacks. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Many people are thinking about applying for Apple Home jobs. You shouldn't pass up the chance to work at Apple since it may be the ideal workplace for you because of how much fun and innovation they promote. Does Apple provide remote work options for those who choose to be at home during the day? Absolutely. Here I'll talk about 3 remote jobs at Apple that you could do from home. 1. Apple Home Advisor. Apple Home Advisor provides customer service and tech help from clients' homes. This person resolves Apple consumer concerns over the phone, through chat, or via email. Apple will teach you for 9 weeks about Apple products, advanced troubleshooting, and job-specific procedures. You may finish the training from home with a live tutor. There's no need to visit an Apple shop or office. Since you'll be engaging with clients, you must be communicative. Familiar with Apple products. Ability to stay cool and comfortable under pressure. Ability to work independently. Multitask and manage multiple systems and apps. Need a quiet home office with internet connections, 10 megabits per second download and 3 megabits per second upload. According to Glassdoor, they pay $11 to $59 per hour. Full and part-time advisors get product discounts and compensated time off. 2. Apple Home Team Manager. This is good for those who have managerial experience and team leadership skills. They are responsible for the education, direction, and guidance of a group of advisors. According to Glassdoor, the annual income for the Apple Home Team Manager is $109,367 plus bonuses. 3. Apple Home Area Manager. If you do well in your role as Home Team Manager, you may be offered a promotion to Home Area Manager, which comes with a higher salary and more duties. The area manager acts as a guide and coach for the team managers, helping them develop their skills and reach their maximum potential. They also provide business consultancy services. Their primary duty is to help their direct reports accomplish their own customer service goals. They have an immediate effect on the efficiency of their team leaders. This role requires a leader with at least 5 years of experience managing a technical support team. Also necessary is a track record of success in training and mentoring team managers to meet the present and future demands of the company. According to Glassdoor, the average annual compensation for an area manager is $133,899 plus bonuses. You may apply for these jobs by visiting Apple official website. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up. And it will be great if you leave a comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.